Welcome back. Now we're with Ethan Allen. You probably already heard of this historic American furniture retailer and manufacturer, but as you're about to see, today's Ethan Allen is a hub for fresh, fashion-forward home furnishings. We head over to both of Ethan Allen's Manhattan locations where two of their design pros are ready to talk hot trends in interior design and show off their most swoon-worthy new styles.
Hi, I'm Daniel Sawyer, and I'm an interior designer with Ethan Allen.
And I'm Sandra Diaz. I've been a designer with Ethan Allen for 8 years, and I love it.
I would describe Ethan Allen as modern in every way.
Ethan Allen doesn't have one design aesthetic, and that's what makes it so special.
There's no one look here, just like there's no one look for every client. And let me just say, everyone has an aesthetic.
We have styles that can fit any taste. And the one thing that all our products have in common is that they're beautiful and they're beautifully made. We're always introducing new looks and lifestyles. This spring, we introduced an uptown vibe, which you can see all around me. The thing is that it's totally approachable and designed to be lived in. Some of my favorite uptown pieces are the Evans View dining table. I love the dramatic pedestal and the starburst tabletop. The Anderson sofa, which I happen to be sitting on, is another favorite. This one is covered in a beautiful rose chenille, but you could get yours in any fabric. It's so elegant and comfortable. And I can't forget about the new rugs, the Geo-Jacquard and the Toulouse. They add pattern to a room without overwhelming it.
Ethan Allen's newest introduction this fall is a relaxed approach to modern living. It's the perfect combination of styles from the past with a twist to make it fresh today. Our new Bailey swivel chair is both modern and Art Deco inspired, and I'm in love with the Marcus sectional. Marcus is so comfortable with its loose cushions and sleek with its tightly upholstered back. The custom options are truly endless.
The design service here at Ethan Allen is like having a personal design firm working just for you. And the best thing is that it's free.
When I connect with clients, I seek to understand how they use their space, as well as their personalities and lifestyles, so I can truly design an area that they want to come home to every day.
I love working with clients at Ethan Allen because it's a true design destination.
When designing a space, you should start by identifying the inspiration. It could be a piece of furniture, artwork, or a family heirloom.
When you're redesigning a space, you should consider the big pieces first and decide whether you want those pieces to be the focal point of the room. Then think about the details you're surrounding the pieces with, like lighting and accents.
One of the most common compliments I get from my clients is that I actually listen to them. And the end result is they love their space.
Well, thank you for visiting me here at one of our 2 New York City flagship locations.
Come on in and get inspired to make your home a reflection of you.